Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your
AirPods Pro case cover. This full body AirPods Pro case cover is designed for Apple AirPods Pro 2019 charging case, not compatible with AirPods 2.1 and 3 2021 generation. Easy to use, simple installation process. Enable wireless charging and wire charging even with case. Carrier for each AirPods Pro case, whether traveling or sports, will be easy to carry. 360-degree full protective made of high quality soft silicone, convenient to attach the AirPods Pro case to a handbag, backpack or band to protect your expensive AirPods Pro case. Perfect size case covers and protecting your AirPods Pro from peeling and scratching.
But I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade.
BRG compatible with AirPods Pro case. Apple AirPods Pro case made of premium soft silicone protect your AirPods against bumps, drops and scratch. It's not applicable for AirPods first, AirPods second, AirPods or AirPods third generation. This cover for AirPods Pro case effect wireless charging and convenience for charging the AirPods from the bottom without removing the case.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
The Go-Go soft silicone case cover compatible with Apple AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro case is made of high quality silicone rubber which is more durable in terms of anti-scratch, anti-slip, anti-bumps, even does not deform even in extreme temperature.
Your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and
GMUDF for AirPods Pro case. It fits around your AirPods Pro and like a glove. Is specially designed for the Apple AirPods Pro 2019. Soft silicone materials, sturdy and very durable. The color is cute and exactly what you accept.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes.
Corridor protective cover compatible with AirPods Pro case. This is high quality GPU cover fits perfectly with AirPods Pro charging case. ensuring the lid closes securely and completely. This cover helps protect your AirPods Pro case from bumps and drops without adding any bulk. Cute Apple AirPods Pro button charging port allows you to charge your Apple AirPods Pro 2019 without removing the cover. Front LED keeps your AirPods Pro 2019 case status light visible. This case for AirPods Pro charging case 2019, not for other AirPods.
Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Lenovo for AirPods Pro case cover. Super strength silicone rubber with skin friendly, odorless, lightweight, dust proof, scratch proof, and waterproof. With upgrade dust guard design on the charging port to protect your AirPods Pro case very well. Received charging port design. No need to take out the AirPods Pro wireless charging case. Front LED visible marks, you knowing your charging state very well.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
mobosi Vanguard Arm Series Military AirPods Pro case. Newest AirPods Pro cover for AirPods Pro charging case. 2019 release model. Not compatible with AirPods Pro second and first generation. Sturdy soft TPU case and it sleeves strip designed to provide full protect for AirPods Pro which against drops, scratch and bumps. Allows access to the rest button on the back of the AirPods Pro case for pairing without taking out the charging case.
Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Electro-Z compatible with AirPods Pro case. Compatible with Apple AirPods Pro 2019. 360-degree protection body to prevent surge and full protection. Made of food-grade silicone. Smooth surface, comfortable feel. A cost-effective luxury package you will get 1X AirPods Pro case, 1X carabiner, not include AirPods Pro.